The National Weather Service in State College, Pennsylvania has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Huntingdon County and central Pennsylvania, Mifflin County and central Pennsylvania, Juliana County and central Pennsylvania, Snyder County and central Pennsylvania, Perry County in south central Pennsylvania until 7 p.m. At 6:09 p.m.
Why didn't my other radios go off? Come on.
Located along the line extending from Rifle Dam State Park to Raystown Dam, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Snyder County in central Pennsylvania, Perry County in south central Pennsylvania until 7 p.m. Sighting entries. Located along the line extending from Rifle Dam State Park to Raystown Dam, moving east at 55 miles. Milroy, Highland Park, Hummels Wharf, Middleburg, Hunts Grove, New Source, trained weather spotters. Flash signage for each. Sighting entries. Locations intended include Lewistown, Huntington, Sealands Grove, Newport, Richmond.
Dental EAS.
Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning